Hi traders, just want to go through the key levels on the Euro Yen. I'm on the weekly chart and I've already done some analysis on this pair this week already, but 136.86 is a level of weekly support or resistance. At the moment we're below it, so it could be resistance, but we keep moving above and below. Last week we rejected that level, closed strongly up, rejecting the candle. This week we've traded down inside the candle and we're starting to move back up. Are we going to be starting to move back up above 136.86 for a further move up long term? So let's just drop down to the daily chart. Alright traders, on the daily chart it's still very mixed. As I said earlier in the week, we've got a high bottom, lower top, but yesterday we had a nice rejection. We could be forming the next higher bottom for a move up here. So let's just drop down to the 4-hour chart. Alright traders, on the 4-hour chart, what I've mapped out here is I've drawn a fib from last week's low up to last week's high, and I've been just studying price action, and then what I'm looking at is it's not a perfect head and shoulder pattern or inverse head and shoulder pattern, but there's a potential for a left shoulder here, an inverse head, and are we forming a right shoulder here at the 79% retracement level where we pull back to? So last week we moved up, this week we've been pulling back inside the range of last week. We came down to the 79% retracement level yesterday. Also, this dashed line is last month's low, so that's support level 2. Are we now moving up from this level to move through last week's high and start to move up the range again? You know, short-term target will do the 127 extension here at 138.77, but longer term, you know, can we move up to challenge last month's high up here? So that being said, I don't want to be a buy into resistance here, but it'd be great if today price starts to move above this weekly resistance level at 136.86. Can we see then a pullback? Does that then become support for then a move up? And as I say, the first short-term target would be the 127 extension, but are we going to start to see a longer-term move up from this head and shoulder pattern? Alright traders, so the main level to watch on the Euro Yen at the moment is, can price break above 136.86? Does that become support for a further move up?